Alright, this is the second part of the Chapter 3 review for 2nd grade GoMath. And so we're going to start with question 4. Mr. Brown sold 5 red backpacks and 8 blue backpacks. Write the number sentence. Show how you can make a 10 to find the sum. Write the sum. So they've already started the problem for us. 5 plus 8 equals blank. You probably know what that is in your head or can figure it out. But notice that it says, show how you can make a 10 to find the sum and then write the sum. So we want to make a 10. They've already given us a help here. How can we decompose the 5 so that we can make the 8 a 10? Well, I know that 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. And I knew that I wanted to find the 2 because I know that 8 plus 2 is 10. So if we add the 8 plus the 2 and we get 10, that leaves us 3 here to add to the 10. So 10 plus 3 is 13. And so 5 plus 8 is also 13. Alright, for the second question, it says find the number of shapes in each row. So we have 1, 2, 3 rows, and rows go across. This is a row, this is a row, and this is a row. So there are 3 rows in each row. You can really just count 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 in each row. So to find the total number of squares in this figure, which is called an array, we can add 4 plus 4 plus 4. You know your doubles. 4 plus 4 is 8, and 8 plus 4 more is 12. We'll talk a whole lot more about this at the end of the year when we work on multiplication, but you can still solve this problem just by looking at it, looking at the rows of 4 and then adding 4 3 times. Problem number 6. Tanya and 2 friends. So you have Tanya and 2 friends. So this is one person and 2 more people. Put rocks on the table. Each person put 2 rocks on the table. Draw a picture to show the groups of rocks. So we have Tanya put 2 rocks on the table, her friend put 2 rocks on the table, and her other friend put 2 rocks on the table. Draw a picture. There's my picture. How many rocks did they put on the table? You can count. You can count by ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can count by twos, 2, 4, 6, 8. I'm sorry, 2, 4, 6. Or you can count by threes, 3 and then 6. So you can do 2, 4, 6, or you can do 3, 6. But either way, they put 6 rocks on the table.